to say this in English? If two angles whose sum is pi, then these two angles are called to each other. 五角怎么讲？not important. Okay, if two angles, this is alpha and this is beta, their sum is pi. How we call these two angles? They are comprehensive or complement? No, complement means half pi, right? Complement to each other, complement. 与角同时，剩余嘛 complement. Or never mind, let's explain these two or this set. Again, now, let's consider a small theta. Then soon we can generalize to any. Again, this is 1, 0. If theta is not big, here, theta. Then pi minus theta means move to pi. 1, 2, 3. This is pi. Then pi minus theta means back to here. If theta is positive, move above, negative is below. So pi minus theta will be here. Pi minus theta. Therefore, the coordinates of this one is cosine theta, sine theta. And the coordinates of this point can be expressed in terms of this angle. Cosine pi minus theta. Sine pi minus theta. Okay, because the sum of these two angles, this one and this one, is pi. So, if theta is 0, then this is pi. If theta is bigger and bigger, then this one moves to. If theta is here, then this one here. Because the sum of these two angles are pi. So, midpoint is half pi. Means this one is exact in the middle of this angle. Means this one and this one are the same. If theta moves to here, then pi minus theta moves to here. If theta here, then pi minus here. Anyway, these 2 points are symmetric about y-axis. Y-axis, no matter what theta is. Okay? 不管 theta 在哪里，它永远对称这个 y 轴哈。If 2 points are symmetric about y-axis, then their y coordinates are the same. So this one and this one are the same. We obtain the first identity. And the x coordinate will be negative to each other. So the second one is also obtained. Then the rest 4 can be obtained from these 2 identities, because tangent is sine over cosine. Cotangent is cosine over sine, and so on. Secant is 1 over cosine. So this is about supplemented 补角 supplemented formula. Now complement the complement formula. Therefore, the rest can be obtained in a similar. Again, let's consider a unit circle again. Now, half pi minus theta. If theta is small here, half pi is here at right angle. Minus theta means back to theta. Half pi then back. Quite similar to theta. Half pi minus theta, half pi then minus theta here. This kind of addition is vector addition. So their mean is pi over 4, pi fourth. Pi fourth means here. Pi fourth. But anyway, I mean these 2 points always symmetric with respect to this straight line. If theta is 0, then this one is here, half pi. If theta is bigger and bigger, then half pi minus theta is smaller and smaller. If theta is negative, then half pi minus theta will be moved to here. Anyway, from theta equals 0, if theta is positive, if theta is negative, always symmetric above this straight line. The name or the equation of this straight line is y equals x. So, to the right and above in this mirror will be above the right. So the x and the y coordinates change. In the changing x and y coordinates obtain its symmetric point. Okay? So if this is then this will be because this one equals this one, and then this one equals this one. Horizontally becomes vertical. Okay, the coding of this point is cosine theta, sine theta. Similarly, the coordinates of this point can be expressed in terms of this theta. This angle, half pi minus theta, cosine half pi minus theta, the sine half pi minus theta. Because these 2 points are symmetric about this axis, so if we interchange these 2 coordinates, then obtain this one. Means cosine theta equals sine half pi minus theta. And sine theta equals cosine half pi minus theta. Okay. Interchange the positions of these 2 numbers to obtain that point which is symmetric to this point. Okay, maybe I should sketch a clear big one. If this is theta, then this is half pi minus theta. The coordinates of this point can be expressed in terms of theta. The coordinate of this point can be expressed in terms of this one. This is half pi minus theta. Half pi minus theta. And the coordinates of this point and this point has the relation. What relation? Interchange these two coordinates and another one. Okay? Four horizontally, four vertically. Two vertically, two horizontally. One horizontally, one vertically, minus three vertically, minus three horizontally. So these 2 points are symmetric with respect to this one. Okay? So interchange. The order of these two numbers always obtain another point, and these 2 points are symmetric about y equals x. Got it? Yes, that's the reason why I interchange this theorem. Interchange sine. Interchange cosine. Because these 2 points are symmetric with respect to y equals x. So we obtain sine half pi minus theta equals cosine theta. And the cosine half pi minus theta equals sine theta. So supplementary angle formula. Complementary angle formula. 五角公式还有比角公式。Okay. So today we review some basic knowledge from trigonometry. We define 6 important trigonometric ratios that extend to 6 important trigonometric functions, and also we discussed some important relation between those functions. Okay. Thanks. See you next week.